In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about data format validation. So what it is, for example, you can validate credit card numbers or phone numbers or address or postcode, so data format. Uh, for example, you can see the Excel file on the screen, and for this particular record, we have invalid email address because it has two characters. So let's try to load it into the database and see what happens. Everything is loaded fine, no issues whatsoever. As you can see, just click the button. Yep, here's our incorrect was done. Yeah, incorrect email address. So what we can do, we can tweak the validator. We just add email is email function. We do have a lot of validation rules. I think we have maybe more than 100. So what we're saying here, so if isML is failing, I would like to discard the record. I want to write a message to the log file. Just showing, so I see credit, this credit card, see postcode validation, etc. For complex cases, we can also use a regular expression. For validation. So we have a magic button called process data. We just click on it. See that record is fine, that one is fine, fine. And this is not working. This is how it is expected. So let's run it. Okay, as you can see, so we had 9 records in total. 8 valid, 1 was discarded, and 8 records were loaded. And if we just refresh the data here, see, as you can see, we have 8 records, and done is missing. All right, that was easy. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our forum and post them there. You might be surprised how fast you will get the answer back. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.